Donut SMP refers to a Minecraft server or community where players collaborate and engage in various activities. Making money within a Minecraft server like Donut SMP usually involves in-game activities and services. Here are some potential ways to make money. Economy system. Some Minecraft servers have an in-game economy where players can earn virtual currency by mining, farming, or trading resources. Participate in the economy to accumulate wealth. Shops and trading. Set up virtual shops to sell rare items or resources to other players. Trading valuable in-game items can be a lucrative way to make money. Services and jobs. Offer in-game services such as building, crafting, or resource gathering for other players. Establishing a job or service system can earn you in-game currency. Events and competitions. Host events, competitions, or challenges within the server. Players may pay an entry fee to participate, and winners could receive prizes or rewards. Real estate and construction. If the server allows, engage in real estate by building and selling properties to other players. Creative and unique constructions can attract buyers.